when I think about the window of time we're in when this work got produced, and it's incredibly opportune. I think that our tense socio-political climate that has been rife with vitriol of all sorts has made the general public, and I think white liberals in particular, just more aware, ready to pay attention and ready to engage in a way that they were kind of lulled into a sense of apathy under President Obama, I think. And so this window of time that we're in, I found that people are ready and willing to engage these issues in a way that I haven't seen in previous years. We also premiered the virtual reality project at the Tribeca Film Festival in 2018, which was really nerve-wracking because at the time it premiered, only like 20 people had done it before we went on this big public stage. But it was so well received to have this booth set up with this racism experience and see people rushing up to sign up, to volunteer, to experience racism in some form was really moving in a way that I hadn't anticipated. It also raised a lot of complicated feelings about what we were doing and whether this was the right way to go, which I talk a lot about in the talk this evening. But ultimately, I've found that the work has been really well received, and people are feeling like this is something that they need to deal with and grapple with. There was one woman who was walking by the booth at the Tribeca Film Festival, and she said, "Oh, is this the racism one?" She's like, "I gotta do it. I don't want to do it, but I gotta do it," right? And she signed up, and she did it, right? Who wants, if you can avoid racism, I mean, that's the nature of white privilege, and you know, why wouldn't you want to keep embodying that, right? It takes a lot to let that go. So anyway, I found that we're in this moment where the work has been really well received.